Probably not too much though. Yeah. Oof. Oh my god. Okay, I'm really feeling it, guys. Ugh. Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nancy. Thank you so much for watching. Today's video is going to be very fun because I am bringing alcohol into this video. And just to let you guys know, I did drink 2 shots of just straight up vodka. This is Grey Goose vodka right here. I wanted to do this video because I wanted to film some fun content, you know, just not be so serious all the time. I'm wondering how this video is gonna go. Hopefully not gonna be too bad. I am feeling a little bit of it right now because I literally drank 2 shots of this and I had drunk another drink earlier too. So yeah, yeah, I'm going to be chasing that with this black tea. I don't know if you guys have heard of this. This is like a new drink from Trader Joe's. I just wanted to make a fun video here while still doing makeup, of course, because makeup is my joy. So yeah, I'm just going to be creating a makeup look while taking some shots, and hopefully it'll be a little bit tipsy and make this video a little bit more fun. We'll see. I'm going to actually take another shot right now just because I am crazy like that. You hear that? Alright, I'm gonna pour some of this. Like, woo. So I have a shot right here, guys. Woo! Yeah, I feel my face feeling pretty hot already. I wanted to drink like a fancy drink or a cute little drink, but I feel like it wasn't gonna make me tipsy enough for this video, so I just went ahead and got out the strong alcohol. This has 40% alcohol. But let's just get on with this video. It's already going on for too long, and I still wanted to do a makeup look, obviously. If you guys are interested in seeing what's gonna happen next after this, then you know the drill. Keep on watching. So for the eyes today, I'm going in with the Dose of Color Sassy Sienna's palette. This is the old packaging. Dose of Colors did change the packaging. Same formula, but different packaging. So for the first transition color, I want to go in with this shade right here. It's a nice light peachy shade. I don't know, should I take a shot after I do like each step or something, because I don't really know how this works. I do see other people like filming these type of video and I'm always intrigued, but like I've never really watched it. Ooh, yeah, I'm starting to really feel it now though. I like the tipsy feeling. So do you guys like the tipsy feeling, or like do you guys like feeling like super drunk? I never want to feel super drunk. That feeling really sucks. So if you've never experienced that, good for you. Don't get drunk because that feeling really just sucks. Let me just quickly go on to the next color first. I'm thinking I want to go in with this shade for the outer corner, or this darker shade. Or this beautiful shade right here. I decided to go on to this more chocolatey color over here. So back to the topic of, you know, being tipsy or being drunk. Tipsy stage, I feel like that's like the best stage because like, you know, you could be a little bit crazy. You feel so daring, like you feel like you could do anything, you know. So I mean, I understand this feeling, like why people like drinking. A short story time, I got drunk like super wasted like once, and it was really bad. Like, and it was just me and my girlfriend. We were in Las Vegas, obviously, and we were drinking like so much. Like we had a bunch of Jello shots, and we also drank like 2 shots of Patron. And then of course we were drinking like other drinks too, so like other just like cocktails, drinks, and oh my god, like I was super drunk. You should experience it once, but just know that there are consequences, you know, like you will feel like shit the next day or even that same day, because I think I was already feeling like it that same day. Like I was like really emotional and I started crying or something. And yeah, my girlfriend just took care of me. She was so sweet. This nice salmon-y shade, I want to put that like right in this part here. And I'm using this little brush that came with the Dose of Color palette. It's like such a beautiful like fiery salmon shade. It's gorgeous. I live for this color. Oh yes, my head is spinning. This is it for the eyes. You guys know my routine. I like to stop it here and then work on the face. I got this new primer from NYX. This is the Bear With Me Daily Moisturizing Primer with cannabis sativa seed oil with an SPF of 30. It comes in this nice little bottle right here. I don't know if you guys can see this. It's like a very nice moisturizing lotion. It has a nice smell. And what do we want to do for foundation? Should just take my usual. Let's just go with what we know: the Wet n Wild and the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer. Apply this quickly. I'm starting to run out of this one. Thankfully, I have my backup. Oh. Oh crap. Okay, I noticed that when I'm a little bit tipsy, like I do things like a little bit faster, like really fast. Just like when I was blending my eyes, like I feel like I was doing it a little bit too fast and too like rough. And I'm talking like so much more right now. Adding a little bit of concealer. My eyes need it the most. And this hair. My bangs are like so long right now, so I'm just letting it grow. I don't know, like I'm half and half. Like I want to keep my bangs, but I also like am tired of it and am wanting to just let it grow, you know. Another shot. Okay, a little bit. Right, cheers. Oh, that was a little bit too much. I can like feel the burning in my throat. Not good. The bronzer, we have the Morphe Glamour Bronze. And for blush, I am so excited because I have the Lunar Beauty Moon Prism Blush. I was so excited when I saw this at Sephora because it was like sold out on their website and even Lunar Beauty's website. And I am going to be using Twilight, this nice, beautiful, dark peachy color. Oof. Okay, that is intense. Okay, I was not expecting this at all. That was a little bit too intense. So let's just blend it out. It has like a nice mirror right here too. A little bit light-handed on this side because yeah, a little bit across the nose. Yeah, it's kind of hard to open my eyes now. Using a fluffy brush just to go over the blush a little, especially when you go a little bit heavy-handed. For highlighting, I want to go back into the Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit. This is like an oldie. I want to use it to see if it's still good because I used to really love it. Like if you guys can see the dents on these pans. I think I'm gonna go in with Dripping in Gold. And let's see, this is like years ago, so I don't know if this is even still good. Oh my god, it's still so pretty. It looks so silky and like so smooth. Okay, yeah. Still there, guys. It's still there. I don't know if Anastasia is even selling these glow kits anymore. I doubt it. The glow is still there. So pretty. So this is the That Glow kit. Okay, so we are going to take another shot, guys. I don't know if I can survive this because I feel like kind of just all over the place right now. Probably not too much though. Yeah, like a little bit here. We are going back into the eyes. Going to add a little bit of that under here. This is like the perfect brush for this. Going to the dark brown shade, I'm just going to add a little bit of that as well. So we can definitely see that the eyes are a little bit smoky, which I really like. I love myself a smoky eye. Go in with a eyeliner from Marc Jacobs. This is the Earthquake eyeliner, and I'm just going to line my eyes with this dark brown color. Woo. Yeah, I'm really feeling it right now, guys. Let me quickly work on these brows. I can't believe I'm doing this. I can't believe it. Oh, jeez, okay. I need to focus. Focus. It's a little bit thicker, but it's fine. Whew. It's feeling really hot in here. I just want to sleep right now. Oh my god, I messed it up. Okay. Focus. Focus. Okay. Oh my god. Okay, I'm really feeling it, guys. I really kind of overdid it. I am going crazy. I need this right now. I feel like all of it's rushing to my head right now. I need a little bit of air. Let me just quickly finish the lips and then I'll put on some lashes, if I can even do that. But for lips today, I have the KKW. I've used this a couple of times. I love the color. This is the Nude 4 color. This is the lip cream. A very, very pretty nude. I don't think I could take another shot because I'm really feeling it. I don't really want to be drunk. I just want to feel tipsy, you know, and I feel like I'm really tipsy right now because I feel like everything is like turning right now, which is not good. Not good when I'm doing my makeup. So for lashes, what lashes should I go with? Miami lash, because, you know, nothing can go wrong with Miami lashes, you know? Okay, hopefully they stick. We have the other side to put on. Not bad. Not bad for someone who's tipsy right now. The lashes are on. They're really, really pretty. They really match this look. I really like it. And I'm just going to quickly add a little bit of highlighter from this Anastasia Beverly Hills kit. The Dripping Gold, the color. As I was saying, a little bit of Dripping Gold into the inner corners of my eyes. Okay, and this is the look, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's kind of like all over the place. I'm feeling really, really tipsy right now. I feel like I could barely even hold my products right now. So it's best if I don't drink another shot because I feel like it would be really bad if I drink another one. I'm just going to finish up this black tea right now. Ooh, it's really sparkly though. But yeah. This is the look, guys. I like it. It's very, very like monochromatic. Like that's what I'm trying to aim for in this video. Like I didn't want to make it complex or anything. I just kind of want to make it kind of all over the place and kind of fun. So I really hope you guys enjoyed that. And yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. It's gonna be part of my family here on YouTube. I appreciate that so much. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.